I would like to recognize the hard work and dedication of our personnel whose efforts contributed to the positive results of the Safer Cities initiatives under the leadership of our Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, Secretary Junpik Remulla. Based on comparative monitoring data, during the 43-day period before and after the implementation of the initiative on April 6, 2026, focus crimes incident nationwide significantly declined. From February 22 to April 5, more than 4,400 focus crimes incidents were recorded. However, from April 6 to May 18, the number dropped to below 3,800 incidents, reflecting nearly a 16% reduction in focus crimes across the country. All focus crime categories posted decreases during the monitoring period. Cases of rape declined by 40%, carnapping of motor vehicle decreased by 28%, physical injuries dropped by nearly 26%, robbery, theft, homicide, and murder incidents also significantly declined nationwide. These accomplishments reflect the impact of intensified police visibility, focus on anti-criminality operations, preventive patrols, and stronger coordination with local government units and the community stakeholders. These are not just numbers. These represent crimes prevented, lives protected, and communities made safer because of your commitment and dedication to duty. Sa bawat pulis na nagpapatrolya sa lansangan, sa bawat operasyon laban sa kriminalidad at sa bawat agarang pagresponde sa pangangailangan ng mamamayan, ipinakita ninyo na ang PNP ay nanatiling handa, aktibo at nakatutok sa kaligtasan ng publiko.